Hello, this is Lucas with MarineMax of Lake of the Ozarks. The boat we're standing on here today is a 2018 Super Air Nautique G25. As you can see, staring down into the helm area, we have the upgraded JLL system, the strapless board racks, as well as plenty of seating for all your guests. This boat does have the gray non-skid flooring. Controlled by the helm control here on the right. Movable seat in the back. Coming to the back, easy stepping down into the water. Does come with a transom control for the audio. This boat does come with the trailer underneath it. Just around 900 hours on this boat. It'd be perfect for a first boat getting into the towboat world. This boat holds 19 people. Again, my name is Lucas. This is a Super Air Nautique G25. Give me a call.